Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. So, a bank by the name of Swissquote, we spoke about them before in another video, they have announced that they have started a Bitcoin exchange traded certificate, which they say will help Bitcoin's price and stop most of the coin's volatility. So what they call a Bitcoin active certificate will apparently switch the company's holdings between both Bitcoin and the US dollar, all with the aid of a program which they say will essentially learn, as it will keep track of the previous market's movements and also keep track of what's going on apparently on social media, which sounds kind of crazy. It'll look at buying and selling trends and therefore be able to predict what's actually happening in the market short term. It'll look at what people are saying, you know, if they plan on buying or selling, or if some news has come out, and this will all be kept track of by the computer. So a large part of their holdings will be held in cash during the most volatile days, they say, which the computer will be able to predict, while on average they say that 60 to 100%, which is nuts, 100% of the portfolio will actually be held entirely in Bitcoin. This will depend obviously mostly on the likelihood that Bitcoin's price will rise. If they see that the price is going to go up, everything will be in Bitcoin, but they say that a minimum of 60% will still be held in Bitcoin. Trading of this will actually take place on the SIX Swiss exchange, and Swissquote adds that their investors love Bitcoin but don't care for the volatility, and as such they've created this feature to help ease some of what they call a downside risk. In what could potentially be massive news for not only people in South Korea but the world as we move forward with cryptocurrency acceptance, the second largest bank in South Korea, Shinhan Bank, SHINHAN Bank, sorry if I said that incorrectly, they have announced that they are currently working on creating cryptocurrency wallets for their customers to be able to store their coins with them. This is kind of crazy because if you haven't noticed, banks and digital currencies, they're typically not the best of friends. So the fact that a major bank has come forward to announce that they'll actually be offering this service in any way, shape, or form is kind of crazy. So this entire thing apparently rose after they say there were a lot of really big exchanges in South Korea, and a lot of them had a number of like servers crashing and they just couldn't hold the amount of weight that was kind of going through the network. So the bank says that because this has happened, they will be taking the initiative and will offer more of the secure services as only a bank can do. Not too sure about that. So it's been noted that all deposits to them will be completely free, but they say that people may incur a small fee when withdrawing. There's still no word if there will be any type of monthly fees associated with this, which could turn a lot of people away. Because if you use any type of online exchange, you know there are no fees when you have your money with them, or if you have your money on a desktop wallet, there are also no fees there. 2017 is turning out to be a very crazy year for cryptocurrencies, and we still have a month left. I am trying to figure out everything that's been going on because it's just so much. So last up, we have news from the Philippines. The Securities and Exchange Commission in the Philippines have announced that they are moving forward with legalizing cryptocurrencies in the country and may classify them as securities. So a news report from the Manila Times has stated that cryptocurrencies as securities is most likely due to the fact that they can be properly regulated under the country's regulatory code. As they say that the massive recent spikes in interest as well as the birth of ICOs has caused cryptocurrencies to pretty much catch their attention in the time that something is done about them. And they say that they want to protect their consumers. So along with this, they will be considering exactly how to approve and distribute online exchange licenses, as many people have been coming to them, saying that they want to start this, part of which they say will be overseen by the BSP, that is the Banco Central ng Pilipinas. Sorry if I said that incorrectly. I cannot pronounce any of that. And they say that at the moment, around 6 companies have actually registered and been approved. And the bank says that they're trying to take an open-minded approach moving forward with cryptocurrencies. I always say any day without a ban is a good day. And I think we've gotten to the point where look at all the acceptance. Like it's undeniable now. This is why I'm so excited for 2018. We'll see exactly what happens. Alrighty, guys, that is going to do it for this video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are, might be whatever you're doing. And yeah, I will talk to you all soon. See you.